We are out here at the Shoreline Lake Boathouse. So we're gonna do a little bit of a pedal boating. She looks very excited. Look how excited she looks. She's just screaming with excitement. Just so excited. Just look at that. Like, you guys can't tell me that she's not excited. Look at that.
I'm actually kind of scared.
But, oh, are you really?
Yeah, I don't like being in the water.
Oh, well, she doesn't like being on the water, but we're gonna get her in the water.
Life is.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed.
You ready to be boat buddies?
Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting some.
Are you a little afraid?
Hmm?
You a little scared?
A little bit.
Just a little tiny bit?
A little lot of bit.
I think we should be fine.
A little to see where this is going. I really.
Alright, so now we're in it. Drive us. Drive us.
You know, if you feel the things I do, I might need.
Alright, so we're stuck. We can't get back. Somewhere far, far away. We're pedaling against the wind. You know what this makes me think of? We need a boat, like an actual boat with a motor on it, so we don't have to pedal there. Alright, so the wind keeps on blowing us away from where we first got off at. We're dying. Are you dying? Oh, we're getting closer. Okay, so we just got done. Our legs feel like jelly. Have you pedaled that much in your life lately? Alright, so we're gonna put these things away. They're gonna disinfect them. And then we're good to go. Alright, so like I said, we just got done a little bit ago with the pedal boat thing. We're gonna be here at our grandma's house. We're gonna be doing like a little dinner. And so we went to Total Wine already. We were in charge of the drinks. We got some drinks, got some sodas. But other than that, we're trying to force her sister to come over so that way she can suffer with us. But yeah, she's gonna be coming over right now. Aretha's already inside, but I'm not. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna head inside. What'd you say?
So they're in the backyard.
We're gonna go over there right now?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I'm trying to give you a besito.
What are you?
Yes.
We'll come through.
You're late.
Because I told her.
There's no more. I ate all of it.
What did that, Bo?
You know why?
Because I ate all of it.
Yeah, your sister ate it all.
What'd she say?
Where you get that at?
It's a Kate Spade. Where do you think I got it from?
Huh?
It's a Kate Spade. Where do you think I got it from?
Damn.
Your man is on my bed, on your auntie's bed.
Ooh.
And Boppa's scared of him.
Ooh.
You speak Spanish, right? Anyways, but you guys should come. Please. Drink with me. Yeah? I'll think about it. I'll consider it. 90%. Make it 100%. Okay?
Circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open